Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by unplugging the Bosch and turning off its water, safety first. Remove the detergent drawer and inspect for residue. Use a soft brush to loosen buildup. Pour 2 cups of white vinegar into the drum and a scoop of baking soda into the detergent compartment. This creates a gentle, effective cleaner. Set the machine to the hottest, longest cycle. Once started, stay nearby to check for strange sounds, and prepare the next materials for the mid-cycle deep clean. Once the cycle reaches midpoint, pause the machine and open the door carefully. Steam may escape. You will wipe the rubber door seal thoroughly, pulling back folds to remove hair, coins, and grime. Use a cloth dampened with vinegar. Remove the detergent drawer and soak it in warm vinegar and water for 15 to 20 minutes to dissolve deposits. Return the drawer, then run a short rinse cycle to flush out loosened grime and reduce vinegar odor. This improves performance and prevents smells. You finish by running a final empty hot cycle with 1 cup of white vinegar to deodorize and kill residual bacteria. After the cycle, wipe the drum and door glass and leave the door slightly ajar to allow drying. This prevents mold. Make a habit of cleaning the filter every 3 months and checking hoses for kinks. If you still notice persistent odors or leaks, inspect the drain pump and hoses for clogs or damage. That troubleshooting step often resolves lingering issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.